Artificial intelligence, AI, has a significant role to play in the maintenance and optimization of jet engines, which are critical components of aircraft. By harnessing AI technologies, the aviation industry can enhance safety, reduce operational costs, and improve the overall efficiency of jet engine maintenance. Here are several ways AI is applied in this context. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. Author background, working with aero industry. Scan the QR code for more videos and books for your library. 1. Predictive maintenance. AI can predict when maintenance is needed before a jet engine experiences a failure. It analyzes real-time data from sensors, including temperature, pressure, vibration, and fuel consumption, to identify anomalies and patterns indicative of impending issues. 2. Condition monitoring. AI systems continuously monitor the condition of jet engines during flights. They detect deviations from normal performance, allowing airlines to address issues proactively, preventing costly breakdowns. 3. Data analytics. AI algorithms process vast amounts of data generated by engines, including flight data, maintenance records, and sensor readings. They identify trends and correlations that human analysts might miss. 4. Health and usage monitoring systems, HUMS. AI-powered HUMS collect and analyze data from sensors installed on jet engines. They assess the engine's health and performance, enabling timely maintenance and reducing unplanned downtime. 5. Fault detection and diagnosis. AI algorithms can pinpoint specific faults within jet engines and provide detailed diagnostic information to maintenance crews. This streamlines troubleshooting and speeds up repair processes. 6. Prognostics. AI-driven prognostic systems estimate the remaining useful life of engine components. This information helps plan maintenance schedules more effectively. 7. Optimized maintenance scheduling. AI optimizes maintenance schedules by considering factors like aircraft availability, flight routes, and predicted component life. This minimizes disruptions to airline operations. 8. Parts inventory management. AI analyzes historical data to predict which spare parts are most likely to be needed and when. It optimizes inventory levels, reducing costs while ensuring parts availability. 9. Remote monitoring. AI-enabled remote monitoring systems allow maintenance teams to monitor engines in real time, even when the aircraft is in flight. This facilitates quick response to emerging issues. 10. Performance optimization. AI algorithms fine-tune engine operations to maximize fuel efficiency and minimize wear and tear. This contributes to cost savings and reduces the environmental impact of aviation. 11. Safety enhancement. AI can identify safety-critical issues and recommend actions to mitigate risks, ensuring that engines meet rigorous safety standards. 12. Data integration. Integrating AI systems with other aircraft systems, such as flight control and navigation, enables a holistic view of aircraft health and performance. 13. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning and deep learning techniques, including neural networks, are used to train AI models for complex predictive tasks in engine maintenance. In summary, AI plays a pivotal role in improving the efficiency, reliability, and safety of jet engine maintenance. By leveraging AI-driven predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring, airlines and maintenance providers can reduce costs, enhance safety, and ensure that aircraft remain in optimal condition throughout their operational lifetimes. Thank you.